Do you buy online?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you need to buy?
I need to buy milk and bread.
How much does it cost?
It costs €5.
Do you pay by cash or card?
I pay by card.
Do you like sales?
Yes, I love sales.
Do you carry a shopping bag?
Yes, I bring my own bag.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a dress.
What color is it?
It is blue.
Do you like this color?
Yes, blue is my favorite.
What shoes are you wearing?
I am wearing white shoes.
Do you wear a jacket?
Yes, when it is cold.
Do you wear a hat?
Sometimes in summer.
Do you like dresses or trousers?
I like both.
Where do you buy your clothes?
At the mall.
Do you have a favorite shop?
Yes, I have one.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
What color is the sky?
The sky is blue.
What color is grass?
Grass is green.
What color is grass?
Grass is green.
What color is snow?
Snow is white.
What is 5 plus 5?
It is 10.
What is 10 minus 3?
It is 7.
How many days are in a week?
There are 7 days.
How many months are in a year?
There are 12 months.
What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
What day is tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Sunday.
What month is it?
It is September.
What year is it?
It is 2026.
What is the date today?
It is September 15th.
It is autumn.
What season is it?
What is your favorite day?
My favorite day is Saturday.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
What is the weather like today?
It is sunny today.
Is it hot or cold?
It is warm.
Is it raining?
No, it is not raining.
Is it windy?
A little bit?
Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like rain?
No, I don't like rain.
What do you wear when it rains?
I wear a raincoat.
Do you carry an umbrella?
Yes, I do.
What is the weather like in winter?
It is cold and snowy.
What is the weather like in summer?
It is hot and sunny.
Where is the bank?
It is on Main Street.
Where is the hospital?
It is near the park.
Where is the supermarket?
It is next to the pharmacy.
Where is the bus stop?
It is in front of the school.
Where is the train station?
It is in the city center.
Is there a park near your home?
Yes, there is.
Is there a library in your city?
Yes, there is a big library.
Where is the nearest cafe?
It is around the corner.
How far is the airport?
It is 20 kilometers away.
Is your city big or small?
It is a big city.
Excuse me, where is the post office?
Go straight and turn left.
Is it far from here?
No, it is 5 minutes away.
How do I get to the museum?
Walk straight for 2 blocks.
Should I turn right or left?
Turn right at the traffic light.
Is it on this street?
Yes, it is on this street.
Is there a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, it is across the street.
Can I walk there?
Yes, you can walk.
Do I need to take a bus?
No, it is very close.
Where is the exit?
The exit is over there.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't have a car.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Do you take the metro?
Yes, sometimes.
How much is a bus ticket?
It is 2 euros.
Where is the bus stop?
It is across the street.
What time does the bus come?
It comes every 10 minutes.
Do you ride a bicycle?
Yes, on weekends.
Do you walk to work?
No, it is too far.
Do you like traveling by train?
Yes, I like it.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading and cooking.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you play any instrument?
No, I don't.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like swimming.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, in the evening.
What programs do you like?
I like comedies.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read a lot.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love movies.
What is your favorite movie?
I like romantic comedies.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Do you have a headache?
No, I don't.
Are you sick?
No, I am healthy.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do yoga.
How often do you exercise?
3 times a week.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I try to.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, usually.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I drink a lot.
Do you go to the doctor?
Yes, once a year.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
May I sit here?
Yes, please sit down.
Could you repeat that?
Yes, I said hello.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, I can speak slowly.
What does this word mean?
It means happy.
How do you say gracias in English?
You say thank you.
Is this correct?
Yes, it is correct.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Goodbye, you too.